जवान, एक एसओ, एक जेईओ, 13 एसडब्ल्यू, 15 एसडी, हजरत। विश्राम।
Honorable SP Sundargarh, Madam Sagarika Nath, Madam, respected ANO Government College Sundargarh, AB Kumar, ANO from BS High School, my dear colleagues, and the NCC cadets of Government College Sundargarh and Government Women's College Sundargarh. It is a proud moment for us because first time we have our SP with us, Sagarika Madam. We have seen her dynamicity in the social media, in the news channels, in various papers uh, in the past. But we have the opportunity to have her within this college, Government College Sundargarh. I welcome you, Madam, to Government College Sundargarh, and I request you on this auspicious occasion. We are observing the Kargil Vijay week, rather that is the week. In every day we have some programs to honor our martyrs, our armies, our soldiers who are working for us, for the country. So for that, on that occasion, I request you to give your uh, encouraging words to my staffs and to the NCC cadets of this college. Please, Madam.
First of all, I would like to thank you for having me here. It's a great honor and privilege to be here today on this auspicious day. Like sir mentioned just now, we'll be celebrating the Kargil Vijay week from today onwards for the next 1 week. And many programs have been delineated in these specific days. Today we are starting with the cycle rally. I want each and every one of you present here to understand why do we really celebrate this week? Why do we have a Kargil Vijay Divas? And I'm really glad that we have started this day with the NCC cadets, because you guys standing right in front of me, please understand that in the entire sector of defense, like we are civil defense, the army is on the forefront, it's on the borders, fighting a war. But in the defense structure, NCC plays a really, really great role. You all must be really small kids when the 99 Super Cyclone occurred, but we have practically seen how the NCC cadets formed the civil line of defense, because they are the last line of defense, how they helped people during that cyclone, and how they rescued people by physically being involved in of food grains or blankets or helping them out, but also rescuing them from difficult flooded areas. So they were really, really instrumental, and I'm really happy that in Kargil Vijay Divas they're starting the day with the NCC cadets. I myself have been an NCC cadet, and it is a sheer pleasure to come back to the school routine. And I must say that you must be really excited to be a part of this uniform service right now, right from an early stage. I am pretty sure, and I hope, really hope, that at least some of you later on would carry forward the weight of that khaki that you are already wearing and be on this side of the stage some days later. I really wish best of luck to all of you present over here, and hope you understand that together we all need to work so that gradually, step by step, we can make our country a better place to live in. Thank you.
March!
Thank you, Madam.
Southern NCC Club through good. Right! Be strong! Right! So भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
ଯିବେ ଆପଣ ନା ନା ଚାବି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଠିର ଚାବିଟା କିଣିବି ଏଇଟା